day is pretty much the last drift event at the GLD that I was lucky enough to be able to go to. Gotta thank my wife for actually allowing me, since we had a newborn little baby Kevin. So let's have some fun over there and be back here shortly to actually help her out. She needs help for sure. We arrived. There's a line actually. There's going to be a lot of people here. Pretty darn cold. We're only at 47 degrees, so the tires will not wear as much, it seems. So that might be a good day. Alright, run number 1. Test run. I got the first 2 runs in. It's cold. Front end is understeering big time. I might have to lower the pressure. I don't know exactly. I gotta figure things out. But let's get some footage of other guys. Make this video a little bit more interesting. What's going on here? Here we go. Check the tires. There's few more runs, few more laps out of those tires. Quite possible. There's the Coda team over there, and Bob and everybody else. I swear to God, that's gotta be Royce, because nobody else would inflate a tire like this. What the hell, dude? Brutal. Everybody's being cautious. I think he's first gear. What the hell? That's slick like hell. issue. Pretty much, I can't really use the e-brake anymore, the hydro, because this bracket is pretty much loose. The bolts are on the inside, and of course I don't have Allen keys to get them out. So yeah, this one is solid, so we're only gonna use rear brakes, it seems like, and then clutch kick a lot and throw it in the corner. So I guess one of the guys lost the back window. It just came off on its own and shattered on the track. He didn't even know that he lost it. Such wood about. Be my video. Are you watching porn again?
You fucking kick the cat.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Good. So today is pretty much over. Gotta go home. Got some footage, got some people going sideways, got some people lifting wheels and shit. Pretty good time actually. We did 7.03 miles on the truck today. So I would say 7 miles of drifting is decent. We could do more, but 7 miles is enough. So until next year, hopefully, or maybe there's going to be something else in between, whatever it is. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and if we don't drift together this year, we'll see you guys next year.